What if I told you some of the most trusted survival tools in 2026 are not expensive at all? While many people chase premium gear with flashy branding and high prices, experienced outdoorsmen, campers, preppers, and field professionals often know a different truth. Some of the best tools are simple, affordable, and proven through real use. Today, we're counting down 7 budget survival tools that experts secretly love because they offer reliability, practical value, and performance without destroying your wallet. These are the kinds of tools people actually keep in bags, trucks, campsites, and emergency kits. Stay until number 1, because that item remains one of the most trusted budget survival tools ever made. Number 7. Emergency Mylar Blanket. The emergency Mylar blanket earns the number 7 spot because it is one of the cheapest and most useful survival tools anyone can own. Often costing only a few dollars, this lightweight reflective blanket can help retain body heat in cold environments, block wind, create shelter lining, signal for help, and even protect gear from moisture when used creatively. Many beginners underestimate it because of the low price and thin material, but experts understand that survival often depends on warmth and exposure management more than fancy gear. A compact Mylar blanket folds small enough to fit in pockets, glove compartments, backpacks, or first aid kits, making it easy to carry everywhere. It can be used as ground insulation under a sleeping bag, wrapped around the body in emergencies, or stretched between supports as a temporary rain barrier. Some users even cut and shape sections for improvised repairs or visibility markers. While expensive camping blankets may be more comfortable, few items can match the life-saving potential per dollar of a simple Mylar sheet. Because it weighs almost nothing, there is little reason not to carry one. That blend of portability, affordability, and genuine emergency usefulness is exactly why so many experienced people quietly keep these in multiple locations. The emergency Mylar blanket proves that some of the smartest survival gear costs less than a meal, which is why it confidently takes the number 7 position on this list. Number 6. Ferro Rod Fire Starter. The Ferro Rod Fire Starter takes the number 6 spot because it remains one of the most dependable and cost-effective fire-making tools trusted by experienced campers, bushcrafters, and survival experts around the world. While many beginners rely only on disposable lighters or matches, experts understand that those options can fail due to moisture, fuel loss, wind, or breakage. A ferro rod solves many of those problems by creating hot sparks when scraped with the proper striker, making it an incredibly reliable backup or even primary ignition source in difficult conditions. Most budget ferro rods cost very little, yet they can produce thousands of strikes over years of use, giving unmatched long-term value. Another reason professionals quietly love this tool is durability. It handles rain, cold weather, rough storage, and repeated use far better than many fragile alternatives. A ferro rod can be carried in pockets, attached to backpacks, stored in emergency kits, or kept in vehicles without much worry. It also teaches valuable skill development because using one encourages people to understand tinder selection, spark direction, fire lay preparation, and patience under pressure. Those survival fundamentals matter far more than expensive gadgets. Many compact kits pair ferro rods with paracord handles, whistles, or integrated strikers, adding even more value for little cost. While it may require practice compared with pressing a lighter button, once mastered it becomes one of the most confidence-building tools a person can carry. In real survival situations, the ability to create heat, boil water, dry clothing, and raise morale through fire can be critical. That is why experienced users continue to keep ferro rods in their gear, even when they own premium equipment. The Ferro Rod Fire Starter proves that dependable survival performance does not need a premium price tag, which is exactly why it earns the strong number 6 position on this countdown. Number 5. Compact Folding Saw. The compact folding saw earns the number 5 spot because it offers one of the smartest combinations of cutting efficiency, portability, and practical survival value available at a budget price. Many people think survival cutting tools begin and end with knives, but experts know that processing wood safely and efficiently is often easier with a folding saw than with heavy chopping or risky batten techniques. A good budget folding saw can cut branches for shelter building, firewood preparation, trail clearing, camp repairs, and emergency obstacle removal while taking up very little space in a backpack or vehicle kit. That efficiency matters because conserving energy in the outdoors is one of the most overlooked survival principles. Instead of wasting strength breaking wood by hand or using unsafe methods, a saw turns difficult tasks into manageable work. Another reason experts secretly love folding saws is safety. Compared with swinging blades or axes, controlled sawing motions often reduce injury risk for less experienced users. Many affordable models feature locking blades, aggressive teeth patterns, and comfortable grips that perform far above their price range. They are also quieter and easier to transport than larger cutting tools. In wet or cold conditions, having a tool that can quickly produce dry inner wood from dead branches can dramatically improve fire starting chances. Some users even keep one permanently in a car emergency kit because of its usefulness after storms or road blockages. While premium saws may offer longer blades or elite materials, many inexpensive models handle common tasks extremely well. The compact folding saw proves that budget gear can still save time, energy, and effort when it matters most. Because of that real-world usefulness, it confidently claims the number 5 position on this list of survival tools experts continue to trust. Number 4. Stainless steel water bottle. The stainless steel water bottle takes the number 4 spot because it is far more than just a bottle. It is one of the most versatile survival tools experts quietly carry every day. Many beginners see it only as a container for drinking water, but experienced outdoorsmen know a durable single-wall stainless bottle can become a critical multi-use item in emergencies. First, and most importantly, it stores and transports water safely, which is one of the highest priorities in any survival situation. But beyond that, many single-wall stainless steel bottles can also be placed near controlled heat sources to boil water for purification when used properly and safely according to manufacturer guidance. That turns a simple bottle into a hydration system and emergency cooking tool at the same time. Another reason experts love it is durability. Unlike cheap plastic bottles that crack, melt, or wear out quickly, stainless steel handles rough use, drops, weather changes, and years of repeated service. It also resists absorbing odors and is easier to clean than many alternatives. A metal bottle can be used to warm liquids in cold conditions, store dry goods, protect sensitive small gear, or even serve as an improvised container for collecting berries or tinder. Many people pair it with a nesting cup or pouch, creating a compact field hydration kit that remains lightweight and practical. While premium insulated bottles are popular for comfort, survival-minded users often prefer simple single-wall steel versions because of their greater emergency utility. It is one of those items people use daily but also trust when conditions become serious. That combination of everyday usefulness, rugged durability, and emergency versatility is exactly why the stainless steel water bottle powerfully earns the number 4 position on this countdown of budget survival tools. Number 3. Paracord Bundle. The Paracord Bundle secures the number 3 spot because few low-cost survival items offer as much flexibility and usefulness for so little money. Trusted by campers, military personnel, hikers, and preparedness experts for decades, Paracord is lightweight cordage that can handle countless practical tasks in the field. At first glance, it may look simple, but experts know that rope and cord often become essential when gear breaks, shelter must be built, or loads need securing. A budget bundle of quality paracord can be used to pitch tarps, build lean-tos, hang food away from animals, secure equipment to packs, replace broken boot laces, create clotheslines, tie splints, bundle firewood, or improvise repairs on damaged gear. Many versions also contain inner strands that can be removed and used separately for finer tasks like fishing setups, sewing, snares where legal, or precision lashing. Another reason experts secretly love paracord is how little space it takes relative to how much utility it provides. A coil can fit in a pocket, pouch, glove compartment, or backpack while offering dozens of feet of usable cordage. It also stores well for long periods and works in a wide variety of weather conditions. Some users weave it into bracelets, handles, or straps, so cordage is always available without taking extra room. While expensive specialty ropes exist, few provide the same cost-to-utility ratio for general preparedness. In many outdoor situations, the ability to tie, secure, suspend, repair, or improvise can solve problems faster than expensive gadgets ever could. That unmatched versatility, tiny cost, and real-world usefulness are exactly why the Paracord bundle strongly claims the number 3 position on this list. Number 2, headlamp. The headlamp takes the number 2 spot because it solves one of the most overlooked survival problems instantly, working effectively in darkness while keeping both hands free. Many people carry flashlights, but experienced campers, mechanics, hikers, and emergency planners know that a simple budget headlamp can outperform more expensive handheld lights in real situations. Whether setting up shelter after sunset, navigating a trail, repairing gear, treating an injury, cooking at camp, or searching through supplies during a blackout, hands-free light becomes incredibly valuable. That is why so many experts quietly keep a headlamp in backpacks, glove compartments, toolboxes, and emergency kits at all times. Another major reason it ranks so highly is efficiency. Modern affordable headlamps often provide multiple brightness modes, battery-saving settings, adjustable straps, and lightweight comfort while costing very little. Some even include red light modes that help preserve night vision and reduce glare around others. Compared with holding a flashlight in your mouth or under your arm, a headlamp feels like a massive upgrade the moment you use it in a real task. It also improves safety by allowing better footing awareness on rough terrain and better visibility while keeping your hands ready for balance or support. Many users prefer simple battery-powered models because spare batteries are easy to store, while others like rechargeable options for repeated use. Even low-cost models can provide hours of useful light if used wisely. In emergency situations where power outages or night movement become factors, reliable illumination can dramatically reduce stress and mistakes. Expensive lanterns and premium tactical lights may look impressive, but few tools match the practical usefulness of a modest headlamp. It is one of those items people forget about until they truly need it, and then it becomes priceless. That combination of affordability, convenience, safety, and everyday readiness is exactly why the headlamp powerfully earns the number 2 position on this list of survival tools experts secretly love. Number 1, fixed blade utility knife. The fixed blade utility knife proudly takes the number 1 spot because it remains one of the most trusted, versatile, and proven survival tools ever created, and quality budget versions continue to outperform expectations in 2026. While flashy gadgets come and go, experts repeatedly return to a dependable fixed blade because cutting ability sits at the center of countless survival tasks. A practical utility knife can help prepare food, process tinder, carve steaks, shape shelter components, cut cordage, open packaging, perform gear repairs, and handle many everyday camp tasks quickly and efficiently. Unlike folding knives with hinges and moving parts, a fixed blade offers stronger construction, easier cleaning, and faster readiness when needed. That simplicity matters in dirty, wet, or high-stress conditions where reliability becomes more important than style. Many affordable fixed blades now feature durable stainless or carbon steel options, comfortable handles, practical sheath systems, and blade shapes designed for general use rather than gimmicks. Another reason experts secretly love them is long-term value. A well-chosen budget knife can last for years with basic maintenance, such as cleaning, drying, and sharpening. It also encourages skill building, because knowing how to safely use and maintain a blade is often more valuable than buying expensive gear. Size matters too. Many experienced users prefer moderate blades that are easier to control and carry rather than oversized designs. While premium knives may use exotic steels or luxury handle materials, budget utility blades often accomplish the same real tasks at a fraction of the price. In emergencies and outdoor living alike, simple, dependable tools tend to win. The fixed blade utility knife represents that truth perfectly, which is why it confidently claims the #1 spot as the budget survival tool experts continue to trust above almost everything else. So there you have it, 7 budget survival tools that experts secretly love because they deliver real-world value, dependable performance, and practical usefulness without premium prices. From simple cordage to hands-free light and cutting tools, these items prove that smart gear choices matter more than expensive branding. Which one would you always keep in your kit? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more countdowns, reviews, and survival gear content.